Just sit back, relax, and make yourself comfortable. And each time you breathe out, just allow yourself to go deeper and deeper. And as you breathe out, that's it, deeper and deeper. And you know you're going deeper and deeper, and feel yourself going more and more into a nice, comfortable, hypnotic state. I would like you to be aware of other sensations in your body. Notice how your shoulders feel at this moment. And as you notice how your shoulders feel, just feel the muscles relax more and more comfortably. I don't know if they will relax more in the left side of your body or the right side of your body, or will they relax equally? Just notice how they relax deeper and deeper. The muscles in your shoulders. And as the muscles in your shoulders relax, so that comfort and relaxation can spread down through your arms each time you breathe out. That comfortable, relaxed feeling can spread down through your arms as you relax, as you go deeper and deeper each time you breathe out. As you breathe out, so that comfortable, relaxed feeling can spread down through your arms, through your elbows, down to your wrists. I don't know whether at this moment it would be more comfortable in your left arm or your right arm. You can just notice that for yourself. Or maybe it's fairly equal. Maybe you may even lose the sensations in one arm or both arms at this moment as part of the hypnotic experience. Or maybe you will feel even more sensations in one arm than another. It would be interesting for you to discover that for yourself as the arms relax more and more comfortably as you breathe. Just be aware of how those arms feel at this moment as the comfort spreads down your arms. I don't know whether your arms feel lighter than normal or heavier than normal, or whether one feels lighter than the other, or one feels heavier than the other. You can just discover that for yourself in whatever way your unconscious mind wants it to happen. One arm can feel different or the same. It doesn't really matter. Just be aware of those sensations, whatever they are, as they get more and more comfortable. Sometimes people feel a sense of heaviness in their arms, and they also feel a sense of heaviness in their body. Sometimes feel light sensations in their arms and a light sensation in their body. You might even get one feeling in your arms and a different feeling in your body. Just be aware of whatever your experience is now as you breathe, and as you continue to relax deeper and deeper each time you breathe out. That's right. the same comfortable, relaxed feeling spreads from your shoulders down through your arms and can spread through your back. Just allow that to spread down through your back now. That's right. All the way down through your back. Through the muscles in your back. Down through the shoulder blades. Down through your back. Down to your waist. And down through your chest maybe at the same time. Down into your stomach muscles. Just relaxing deeper and deeper as those muscles in your back and your chest and stomach relax deeper and deeper, so you can go deeper and deeper into a nice altered state and feel comfortable, and you can breathe easily. That's right. As you breathe, so the muscles can relax deeper and deeper now. That's it. And somehow you breathe in that wonderful free feeling. And having that wonderful free feeling from all that in the same way. And you can be in a special place and yet know there is another part of you listening to my voice. Just feel those muscles relaxing. And I wonder when that comfortable feeling can spread down through your legs as well. Just allow that comfortable feeling to spread down through your legs, all the way down to your toes. And I don't know, as that comfort spreads down your shoulders, your arms, and your back, as you go deeper and deeper, relaxed, and into the chest and stomach, as you go deeper and deeper, on down through your legs. Whether that same comfort can spread up to the back of your neck, or the front of your neck, into your face, into your head, so the neck muscles start to relax more and more. That's right. Maybe the head feels a little heavier or a little lighter at the moment, but you notice how the muscles just relax as the comfort spreads down to your feet. Just be aware of that now. That's it. All happening by itself. As you experience that, and as you are aware of that, you can go deeper and deeper into trance. But don't go all the way into a nice, comfortable, deep hypnotic state until all that comfort has just spread all the way over the top of your head. All the way over the top of your head, and your whole body just feels so comfortable and relaxed. So comfortable and relaxed. Don't go all the way down into a deep trance until you feel that comfort go all the way over the top of your head, all the way through your body, and you will know when that is happening, because as that happens, you will discover your mind wandering to some other place. So you may not be listening to my voice anymore. you can just let your mind wander to some other place. To some other place where you can make things a new reality. You can make dreams come true in this new place. Things you have been thinking about. Or maybe things you never thought about can become a reality. And as you become aware of that place, and the sound of my voice kind of stays with you, but you don't have to listen to the words because your unconscious can listen for you. As you relax now, feeling good about yourself, just release all feelings of guilt or aggression. Because anything that used to disturb you is just going to relax you and make you calm. Things don't bother you like they did in the past. Things that used to upset you or make you nervous, or hurt your feelings, or embarrass you, or perhaps make you angry, no longer have such a profound effect on you. You can now see them more clearly for what they are, and not allow them to upset you. As you begin to look at things in a new way, by just beginning to look on a situation as though it was on a movie screen, so you can see each side of the situation or experience, and perhaps just notice how each other person in the interaction feels. And by looking at things in a more objective way, you feel differently, just more relaxed. Because if you step out on a clear night and look up at the stars and look at the vastness of the sky, your problems that you used to have are not even the size of a grain of sand in the immenseness and vastness of the sky at night, as those stars twinkle their brightness on you, shining their light in the darkness, just like a positive thought over a darker thought. Light is more attractive, shining a light into the darkness of that old way of thinking, looking at things in a new way. And so from now on, anytime you clench or grind your teeth, you become aware on a conscious or unconscious level of what you are doing. And as that awareness occurs, you automatically relax and release all the tension out of your body. Clenching or grinding your teeth is just a nervous outlet. And instead of grinding your teeth, you can now take a deep breath in and release all that tension. Now, just taking a deep breath in, and notice how relaxed you become as you exhale. It's just so easy to do things in a new way. So grinding your teeth has made you feel upset. But now you choose to do things in a new way and just be calm and relaxed, because nothing will bother or disturb you in the way it used to. As you look at things in a new way, perhaps having a giggle as you view things on the movie screen of your mind and take a new objective view, because everything that used to bother or disturb you will just calm and relax you. That's right. And when you are ready, you can bring all the energy back into your body. Just bring all the energy and awareness back into your body, and all the natural sensations. As you make those changes while you open your eyes in your own way, in your own